Are you ready to create stunning woodworking projects? Discover the world's largest collection of 16,000 step-by-step plans with Ted's Woodworking. Click the link below for more info. Many plans out there leave you guessing, lacking details, proper instructions, and assuming you have expensive tools or years of experience. With Ted's Woodworking, you'll get easy-to-follow, detailed instructions that guide you every step of the way. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Our plans include everything you need. Step-by-step instructions, cutting lists, colorful schematics, and designs suitable for any skill level. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from thousands of satisfied customers who've turned their woodworking dreams into reality with Ted's Woodworking. Don't wait. Get instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans for a one-time payment of just $67. Transform your woodworking skills today.